Imagine running an entire business with no employees, no editors, no designers, no managers, just you, your laptop, and 5 AI tools that can literally replace a full team. These are the same tools solo creators and freelancers are using right now to work faster, look more professional, and make more money. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly which tools can save you hours every day and how to turn them into a real business system. Let's start with number 1. Tool 1, ChatGPT, Writer plus Strategist. First up, the writer, researcher, and strategist you'll never need to hire again. ChatGPT. This tool isn't just for quick answers, it's your copywriter, planner, and creative partner all in one. You can use it to brainstorm content ideas, write email sequences, create business names, and even build marketing strategies. Try this. You're an expert copywriter. Write a 200-word Facebook ad promoting a new productivity app that saves people time. Within seconds, you'll get a professional ad that's ready to post or tweak for a client. You can also feed it your existing copy and say, "Make this sound more persuasive and energetic." The real power of ChatGPT isn't just writing fast, it's how you combine it with your creativity. Businesses pay for clarity and speed, and ChatGPT gives you both. If you know how to prompt well, you've already replaced half a marketing department. Tool 2, Opus Clip Video Editor Next, your video editing team. Editing used to be the biggest bottleneck for creators and agencies. Now, Opus Clip automates 90% of it. Upload a long video, maybe a podcast, vlog, or Zoom recording, and Opus Clip instantly finds the best clips, adds captions, subtitles, and even formats them for TikTok, YouTube Shorts, and Instagram Reels. This is exactly how content agencies are scaling fast. They take long-form content and turn it into 10 short clips per client, charging $150 to $300 per batch. And guess what? Opus Clip picks the most viral parts using AI, meaning you're not just editing faster, you're editing smarter. It's like having a full-time editor who never sleeps. Try the free trial in the description. It's addictive once you see how much time it saves. Tool 3, 11 Labs, Voice Actor. Next up, your voice actor. 11 Labs gives you access to some of the most realistic AI voices in the world. You can clone your own voice or create unique ones for different clients or brands. For example, one voice for educational videos, another for product ads, another for faceless YouTube channels. It sounds natural, emotional, and cinematic. Instead of hiring voice actors or recording for hours, you can now upload a script and get a studio-level voiceover in seconds. Imagine selling full explainer videos. ChatGPT writes the script, 11 Labs does the voice, and Pictory or Canva handles visuals. One person doing the work of 5. Tool 4, Canva Designer. Now, every business needs a designer. Logos, banners, ads, thumbnails, presentations. And this is where Canva Magic comes in. With Canva's AI tools like Magic Eraser and Magic Resize, you can produce pro-level designs instantly. Want to create 10 Instagram posts in the same style? Magic Resize does it automatically. Need to remove a background or fix a photo? One click. And here's where you make money. Small businesses will always pay for design help. Offer content packs, 10 branded posts for $100. Canva can do that in under an hour. Combine it with ChatGPT for text ideas, and you've basically replaced a full design team. Tool, Notion AI, Project Manager. Finally, your project manager, Notion AI. Think of it as your brain for everything: clients, deadlines, projects, invoices. You can create automated dashboards that track your tasks, summarize meetings, or remind you when deliverables are due. For freelancers and creators, Notion AI keeps you organized without needing an assistant. But here's the real secret. You can sell these systems. Create and brand your own Notion templates, like a content planner or agency dashboard, and sell them on Gumroad. It's recurring income from something you built once. And the more efficient you make it, the more people will want to buy it. And there you have it. 5 powerful AI tools that can literally replace an entire team. From writing high-converting copy and editing viral video clips to designing pro-level visuals and managing your entire workflow, you now have access to the same tools solo creators, freelancers, and small agencies are using to scale like never before. And the best part? These tools don't sleep, don't call in sick, and don't need managing. They just work, fast, cheap, and effectively. Whether you're just starting out or you're already running a business, the opportunity is massive. You can cut costs, boost productivity, and start offering high-value services, all by mastering a few tools. Want to sell content packs? Use Canva and ChatGPT. Want to launch a faceless YouTube channel? Let ChatGPT write the script, 11 Labs do the voiceover, and Opus Clip handle the editing. Want to organize your entire operation and even build digital products? That's where Notion AI comes in. You don't need a degree, a big team, or a ton of money to start, just the right tools, the right systems, and a willingness to learn and experiment. All the tools I talked about are linked below, many with free trials, so you can try them today and see the results for yourself. And if you want to go deeper, I've put together a free guide, 10 AI tools that make money. It's packed with practical workflows, tips, and monetization ideas to help you turn these tools into real income streams. The download link is in the description. If you got value from this video, hit the like button, subscribe for more AI business content, and let me know in the comments which tool you're most excited to try. You've got the tools. Now it's time to build something amazing with them. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.